Hi, we're going to create a function here, and I'm going to call it add names. It's going to take a few parameters. The first parameter would be first name. The second parameter would be last name, and this is a function, and it's an asynchronous function. Okay. Now in the function I'm going to create a from data, so const, I'm going to call it my from data equal to new form data. So form data is a built-in JavaScript object. It's going to construct a set of key value pairs. Okay. So at first it's really empty. So my form data is really empty. I'm going to append some key and value to the form, to my form data. Okay, so my form data dot append, we're going to call the first key, let's just say user first name, and the value would be first name. Okay, this one. This is the first parameter of the function, is going to be the value of the first key value pairs of the my form data, and the key would be user first name. We're going to append one more. Let's my form data dot append, and I'm going to say the key name is user last name, and the value would be this one, last name. Okay. So what this does is the form data initially it's really empty. So my form data is really empty. It's gonna append first a key value pair where the key will be the first name and its value is gonna be first name, this one. And then next time we're gonna append another key value pair, and at this time the name of the key is the last name and the value is last name. So what it does is form data is so we're showing users some kind of form and they're gonna fill out the form. So what we need to do is we're gonna get those datas the user filled with. We're gonna get those datas, and taking those datas we're gonna form a form data. Okay. So let's just say first there's going to be an input file like this. This input, it's a type. Input type is text. Type is text, and let's just say this name is just a first name. Okay. So first name. So inside a form, this is the input form, and it's gonna show a form, and the user is gonna type text in this, and this is gonna be our first name. We're gonna take that data, whatever the user put in this form, and we're gonna say let's just say he wrote John Doe. Okay, so this is the value the user wrote in this input file. So we're gonna get this value, and we're gonna say this value name is first name. So first name is equal to essentially John Doe, and we're gonna say the key of this value is gonna be user first name. So at first, the my form data would get a key value pair, and this would